Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I'll do unboxing and actually I'll talk to you about one of the smallest bike on my channel, and also I think it's one of the greatest bike I like, most favorable I have. And the reason I'm making another video about this bike, not only I just got 3 boxes, like I bought them, so it's not sponsored video, and about the price. I know a lot of people are looking right now for budget bikes, for somebody gift. Right now it's going to be the Father's Day, but it's probably too late. But for anybody's birthday or anybody gift or any student or anybody who needs to get to the work and off work or just go for pleasure, I think it's a perfect electric bicycle. It's a very mini, and I'll do unboxing to show you it. It's a Onebot S1. This bike comes almost fully assembled. You just need to remove from the box and do a little bit adjustment. Yes, it's my fault. I didn't pay attention and I opened Throttle, but nothing to worry. It always comes perfect conditions. I have about 6 Onebot bicycle already unboxed. All of them have 0 issue. And not only that, as you can see, they are well packed, well protected, and almost fully assembled. Pull it out from the box. It's only 37 pounds, so it's the lightest compared to, let's say, Bolt Pro. It's about 5 or even more pounds lighter. Okay, so it does come with a seat right here with a longer post than just a Bolt Pro. And it's all aluminum bike. So here's how the bike comes. The seat, well protected. Actually this seat is better than just a Bolt Pro seat. I already have the video compare, but I'm just telling you. And the price is right now like $218 after my discounts, but the price of this bicycle actually $500, so you got about $300 savings. That's why I want to make this video. If you're looking for good bicycles, it's much better than you buying some kind of refurbished bicycles. And you just need to remove this zipper tie, okay, and it comes with a really nice folding mechanism over here. I'll show you. I'm gonna remove this one as well. And handlebar well protected right over here. So to close the latch, you just simply bring it up and push it. It will be locked, so it's all automatic. Also it has adjustable steam. You can go up and down, as you can see right here, but will not adjust it right now. I'm gonna bring the handlebar up, and you would need to remove this latch first in order to insert the handlebar. So you would just lift it up and put it back, nothing else. And that's why they don't come with any tools, because you don't really need any tools to assemble this bike. It's basically the easiest way to assemble. Just insert the handlebar and that's it. It's now assembled. You need to center the, first you need to tighten the latch to make sure it's tightened, okay, and then you just close this latch and it's ready. You would insert the seat post inside and you can adjust it. And I like this because it's anybody who's shorter, like maybe 4'8" and above, can ride it, because as this is a low seat can go. Most likely you can cut it and get even shorter if you want to, and this is the highest way. So even for me, it's somebody who is 6'3" can comfortably pedal this bike as well. So I'm gonna close the latch. It does come with foldable pedals on the side, easy to open, easy to close, and that's it. Very light and assembled bike. It comes with a charger in this box and the manual, so if you have any questions you can read it, follow the instruction, but it's very easy to use this. And I'll show you the display as well. The charger, it's kind of small, so it might get hot sometimes, but I have never have any problem with the charger as well. And this one is Onebot S1, and I want to talk to you about why it's so cheap as well, because many people take it as negative, but I'll explain to you. I talked to the company, and I was surprised. They are selling this bike right now at wholesale price, actually with some loss, they told me, but it's a loss, but you win. They want more people to test it out, to find pleasure riding it, and they think they will spread the word. So basically it's kind of marketing strategy to give it almost for nothing, because it's almost $200. It's very cheap for this type of bicycle, which costs $500. It comes with a nice display, headlight. I'm not gonna remove any plastic, it's already there. It comes with a horn, half throttle, nice grips, dual brakes, never squeak right out of the box. Usually the brakes are easy to adjust, but sometimes I don't even need to adjust in Onebot, because it's usually already adjusted. But I'm gonna also show you how to adjust these brakes in the next video as well. It's very simple if you need to, because they are mechanical. It takes only few minutes to do it. And let me explain. If you're looking for something mini, this is a perfect size, because if you need to go somewhere like and drop it in the car, you just push it down and remove the seat, and it's the smallest bike. It's easy to carry because only 37 pounds, the lightest bike actually on the market for this type of size. And Jetson Bolt, I think Jetson Bolt costs more, and Bolt has no pedals. So this one is 14-inch tires, which has also reflection. It does have front and rear mud guards, which is great to ride in the rain. And I did actually ride it once in light rain and have no problem at all. The latch works really good because it's all aluminum, all set up really good. Handlebar can go up as well, like this. Okay, so if you're a taller person, you can extend the seat. I think this is still more place to go, but I just want to show you. It's small and it's faster than Jetson Bolt Pro, about 2 miles. It's a little bit faster than Hayes. It's much lighter than Hayes, and it has more torque in it. Even it's 250-watt motor, but trust me, it has more torque. It's a torquey bike. Most likely you will be surprised if you have a Jetson Bolt Pro or Hayes, how fast this bike is and how much easy to pedal it. And if you like this bike, don't forget hit like and subscribe, because I'm gonna have more videos to save you more money and with more explanation about different bicycles I like. And I will have it for sale actually. If you want to come in person, I can meet you in the Los Angeles area. You just message me in private on Instagram. I can meet you. I will sell it for $400. If you want to meet it in person and buy it one, I will have 2 for sale, because I will keep 1 for myself. And if you want to save money online, it will be only like $220, $218 I believe. But again, the price can change anytime, so you better check link in description with a code. And if you want to buy one in a box, I'm gonna have one in a box. It will be $350 for pickup as well. So if you want to come in to try it out, bring the cash, try it out if you like it, and I'll sell it one for you, $400. Or you can buy it online for $220. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.